Boeing was once considered the undisputed king of the skies. Their jets connected the world, and their engineering was unmatched. But then, disaster struck. Two tragic crashes, global investigations, and the grounding of their flagship aircraft sent shockwaves through the aviation industry. The fall was not just sudden, it was brutal. But now, in 2025, Boeing is staging a major comeback. They are rebuilding their reputation, restoring customer trust, and taking bold steps forward. So what exactly changed? Can Boeing really reclaim its position as the top dog in aviation? Let's dive deep into the story. To understand Boeing's comeback, we first have to look at how far they fell. In 2018 and 2019, two of Boeing's 737 MAX aircraft tragically crashed, killing 346 people. The cause was linked to a software system known as MCAS, designed to stabilize the plane. However, pilots weren't properly trained on it, and the system malfunctioned. The fallout was immediate and global. The 737 MAX was grounded for nearly 2 years. Customers lost faith. Orders were cancelled. Airlines turned to Airbus instead. Boeing's reputation, once rock solid, was now in question. Inside the company, things were equally grim. Morale among engineers plummeted. Key staff left. And to make matters worse, Boeing's Dreamliner program began facing quality control issues. The company wasn't just dealing with a PR crisis, it was facing an identity crisis. At the core of Boeing's fall was a major shift in company culture. Over the years, the focus moved from engineering excellence to aggressive cost-cutting and shareholder returns. Internal communications revealed employees criticizing both leadership and regulators. Safety and quality seemed to take a back seat to deadlines and profits. The FAA, which oversees aviation safety, was also accused of being too lenient with Boeing. The trust between the public, the company, and regulators was fractured. By 2022, Boeing was not just lagging behind Airbus, it was being written off by many as a cautionary tale of corporate overreach. But Boeing didn't stay grounded forever. A new CEO, David Calhoun, stepped in and began making serious changes. The focus shifted back to safety and engineering. The 737 MAX was recertified after rigorous reviews. Safety systems were updated, and pilot training became more thorough and standardized. Boeing started bringing back experienced engineers and giving them more influence in decision-making. Trust, slowly but surely, began to return. In 2023, Boeing managed to deliver over 500 aircraft. Airlines began placing massive orders again, including from United Airlines, Ryanair, and Akasa Air in India. Then came a bold announcement in 2024. Boeing was planning a brand new narrow-body aircraft to challenge the highly successful Airbus A321 new engine option. This wasn't just a product launch. It was a signal that Boeing was back in the fight. In 2025, they're aiming to deliver over 700 aircraft, a number they haven't hit since before the MAX crisis. So, what makes this comeback different from a short-term recovery? For starters, Boeing's leadership seems to genuinely understand the root of the problem. They're no longer sidelining engineers. They're investing in people, processes, and transparency. FAA oversight is now stricter. Public scrutiny is higher. And Boeing appears to be rising to the challenge rather than hiding from it. They're also seeing strong performance from their defense and space divisions, which are helping fuel their financial comeback. Demand for new aircraft is booming across the globe. Airlines need more jets than ever before, and Boeing is finally in a position to deliver. This comeback isn't just about building jets. It's about rebuilding trust, culture, and legacy. Boeing knows the world is watching, and the stakes have never been higher. But if 2025 goes according to plan, this won't just be a return, it'll be a rebirth. So, what do you think? Is Boeing truly back? Or is this just a temporary lift? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy aviation stories like this one, hit that subscribe button and stick around for more deep dives.